Welcome back to our channel.
Yes, what are we doing?
We're making ballet buns.
So we're going to do
hairspray.
Yes, we're doing hairspray this one because this one
is a long one.
It's a long one. It's going to be a professional ballet bun.
Yeah.
So we're going to look super neat and tidy, right?
Yeah, and it's also make sure you watch it every single day.
So they get really good.
So you know how to do a ballet bun when you do ballet lessons.
And look super neat and tidy, and for exams and for shows.
Because you can't be messy hair.
Nope. What are we doing first? What am I doing?
A ballet, a ponytail.
Ponytail first.
Yeah, and then you make the ponytail into a bun, but then you do hairspray.
Correct.
Hello.
Okay, so ponytail. There we go. Right, then we're going to spray, okay?
You tell me if I close my eyes.
You can close your eyes. We'll spray. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Okay, but we're going to look super neat and tidy.
Yeah. This holds it there.
It does. What number is it, the hairspray?
5.
5, the strongest one.
Yeah, we got the strongest one.
The strongest one.
If it's by 1, it will be so slippery it goes down. We got the strongest one.
Okay.
Holds it.
There.
And we need to put the hair.
So we've done that. Now we're going to make the bun. So we're going to twist the ponytail.
Make sure you wash your hair tonight so it won't stay like that forever.
Don't want the hairspray in forever and ever. Okay, and then we're just going to put one hair bobble round to keep it in for a second. Okay, then we're going to do this one because this one matches your hair a bit better. Hairnet, the big ones are better because you can put them around lots of times. Okay, so this goes around, then keep twisting until there's no more left. There we go, and then we're going to use these pins, okay, the V ones, because they are better for buttons. So what happens with these, you're going to put it in like this,
This
and
is
then
not like a
pull
V.
it down.
I think it's not like a V.
It's a little bit like a V. Okay, so you put it in a little way up, pull the hair out, and then push it down.
Like
Thank
V.
you, you can hang it this. Pull the hair out and push it down.
You can actually grab them though.
I can. Okay, just keep going round until you've got the whole way around. Oh, look, we're doing good. It's a good bun. Right, and I'm just going to spray at the back to get rid of all these flyaway bits. So much spray. And then, if you have any more flyaway bits, you can use these ones.
Yeah.
Kirby grips, they're called. And then slide them in just to keep any flyaways out of the way. On this side. You look so good.
Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel.
Okay, look at us. We're good. Turn around, show the camera. Ta-da! Bonnet, pins, grip.
It's getting a bit down.
We look fabulous. Okay, should we say everybody, thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching.
We will see you in the next one.
We will see you in the next one.
Bye, buddy.
Bye everybody. Bye. See you in the next one and make sure you watch every single day. Make sure you like it. Bye.